Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Pinterest feed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials. Now after you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now if you wish to reset your feed, then click on the drop-down menu at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now from the Settings page, click on Tune your home feed and now you will be able to see all of your activities. Now you can go and uncheck each of these pins so that the recommendations from these are turned off, or if you want to reset them all together, you can simply click on Turn off all. This will now turn off all of the feeds that you have recently viewed. Once you have done this, if you go back into your home feed, you will see new pins which are not related to the ones that you just turned off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your Pinterest home feed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.